which is greater, 10 to the power of 36 or 9 to the power of 37? Usually, for comparing exponential numbers, we have a trick, and that is we can take their division. For example, here, we can divide 10 to the power of 36 by 9 to the power of 37. Since the exponents are very close to each other, so what we can do is to write 37 as 36 plus 1. So that means 9 to the power of 37 can be written as 9 to the power of 36 times 9. So now, it is just 10 over 9, this fraction all to the power of 36, then times 1 over 9. And now what we can do is to write this 10 over 9 as 1 plus 1 over 9, then to the power of 36, and then times 1 over 9. Now, let's focus on this exponent. 1 plus 1 over 9 to the power of 36. The base has the form 1 plus 1 over n. And we always like the form 1 plus 1 over n to the power of n. Now you can see 9 is a divisor of 36. 36 can be written as 9 times 4. Which means this can be written as 1 plus 1 over 9 to the power of 9, and then all to the power of 4, then times 1 over 9. What we're actually willing to do is compare this quotient with 1. It implies that we have to compare this term with 1. Now, pay attention. In the bracket, we have 1 plus 1 over 9 all to the power of 9. It means that this one is 1 plus 1 over 9 times 1 plus 1 over 9. This one is 1 plus 1 over 9 times 1 plus 1 over 9 times until 1 plus 1 over 9. How many times? 9 times, since the exponent is 9. Now the magic is changing their denominators. 1 over 9 is of course greater than 1 over 10, since if two fractions have the same numerator, the smaller the denominator is, the greater the fraction will be. 1 over 9 is greater than 1 over 10, and it is of course also greater than 1 over 11. It is also greater than 1 over 12, and so on. So it is greater than, the entire product is greater than 1 plus 1 over 9 times 1 plus 1 over 10 times 1 plus 1 over 11. And the last one is what? The first one is 9, and the last one is, the ninth one is 9 plus 9 minus 1. 1 plus 1 over 17. Very good. And pay attention to this magic product. It is 10 over 9 times 11 over 10 times 12 over 11, then times up to 18 over 17. And you can find out that the things in the middle can actually be cancelled out. So only two things are left. There's 18 on the numerator and there's 9 on the denominator. And we know that 18 over 9 is 2. So the product is actually equal to 2. So that means this one is greater than 2. Go back to this term. It is greater than this thing is greater than 2. So it is greater than 2 to the power of 4, then times 1 over 9. And you know that 2 to the power of 4 times 1/9 is 16 over 9. And 16 is obviously greater than 9, which means their quotient is greater than 1. This is greater than 1, which means 10 to the power of 36 over 9 to the power of 37 is greater than 1. And the left-hand side is, of course, greater. Did you get it? Did you get the wonderful method? Subscribe to me for more wonderful questions, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.